how to turn on or off website embeds on Instagram. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, so let's jump straight into it. First, open Instagram and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu for Settings and Activity. From here, scroll down and look for the Sharing and Reuses section. Depending on your version of Instagram, the embed setting may be found under your account's privacy settings. Look for the option related to website embeds or allow people to embed your profile and posts on websites online. If the option is turned on, websites can embed your public Instagram content. To disable this feature, simply turn the switch off. If you want to allow website embeds again, return to the same setting and turn the switch back on. Keep in mind that Instagram settings and menu names can change depending on your app version and account. So that is how to turn on or off website embeds on Instagram. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. If it did, please consider leaving a like, subscribing to the channel, and sharing this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.